Hey guys, it's John here at Castro Oasis, and today I'm gonna make a video of my bio so you know who I am and who is behind the camera. I'm gonna try not to keep it boring, so let's start from the get-go. You probably noticed my accent, and if you don't, kudos to me, because I came here to the US when I was 9. I'm gonna be 33 in December. My parents are from Ecuador and Spain, so Spanish is the way, hence the little accent. I love cars. I grew up in them. Actually, I'm gonna show you in this video my first car that I was able to sit in and drive, aka, put it in the clutch, release it slowly, and not stall. I did that. The 1976 Datsun. I'll show you that in a second. So that being said, love cars. Went to college, did the college thing, graduated with an international business degree. That worked out, except for the fact that I don't like sitting in a desk. More of a hands-on person. So I got together with my brother, which happens to be an electrical engineer by trade, but also loves cars. So I'm thankful that today I was able to be working in my passion and what makes me happy. So Castro Oasis is that. So it's a lot more than just a job. I know people out there being like, oh, well, if it's a job, then, it's a job. Well, yes, it's a job, but it's really not. It's really working on what you like every day. It's a blessing, not a job. So I do it happily, although yes, some days a little stressful, but I do it happily with a big smile on my face because I love to see the transformations. I love to see the customers' reactions after they get to see the transformation of their cars. You're looking here at 1990 Corrado. You'll see a bunch of videos on this car since I'm doing a full restoration. I've had this car since 2012. All you can see so far is the paint work that's been done. It had no rust, but we did respray it. And now we are, bringing it to show ready through a multi-step paint correction. And then we'll do our thing with the ceramic coating and paint protection film as well. But that is a long project that's gonna take a lot of time. But I'll keep you updated, making videos and what the Evo is hiding there on the quick jacks. That car is a monster, crazy horsepower. You always wanted an Evo. I was able to get one. Once I got it, I was able to make it mine by literally tearing it apart. As far as me, myself, besides cars, what do I like to do? I love hiking, I love working out at the gym. It keeps my mind healthy. And that's pretty much it. You're gonna either find me here at Castro Oasis at the gym or outdoor hiking. Do I ski? Not very good at it, but I do like to ski. So once in a while, I'll escape to Vermont and do my thing over there. That's pretty much it as far as like my hobbies, I would say. Obviously, I'll talk to you about cars for days and days. I love every single type of car. They have a special little place in my heart. The most special is this little Datsun, which right now is being the shelf of the Evo, as I have all my tools that I need to there. But this little mini truck, yes, we got it imported here to the US. It was a lot of paperwork, but it's good, it's registered, it's insured, so it's actually road worthy, and it's Connecticut plates, good old classic Connecticut plates. Yes, we drive it once in a while. I take it out on Sundays. I think it's really cool. 1200 little cc motor, all mechanical, everything's there. If you guys want to make a video, I'll make a video and let you know about that. Fun fact, learn how to ride in a Yamaha R1. Yes, a 1000cc motorcycle, and guess what? I'm still here. Everyone was like, you're crazy, you're gonna die. Am I crazy? Maybe a little crazy. I think we're a little crazy. Did I die? No. You just gotta be responsible. It doesn't matter what you're doing in life. Make sure you're responsible. The road is not only yours, you're sharing it with others. So be conscious of that and you'll be okay. Actually, I keep my motorcycle here now because I just finished doing the PPF on it. I did the PPF matte to give it a matte finish, and then on the other side it is also PPF, but it's the Cavacha glossy one. So matte gloss gives it a cool look. At least I think it's cool. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know down in the comments if you like one over the other or you like the split idea. I thought it looked cool because just how the bike was. Don't read this. No, that's when I was young, when I got the motorcycle, and well, nothing's free in life, right? Jokes aside, nothing is free in life. You gotta work hard for whatever you want. At the end of the day, in one of my other videos, I gave you that life tip. which was you want something, work hard for it. Sounds very generic, but it's true. You want to change your life around, you have to put in the work either before your 9 to 5 or afterwards. Otherwise, not gonna go anywhere. Your side hustle never gonna get off the ground, and it's never gonna go anywhere. But if you put in the work, your side hustle eventually become your main hustle. The idea of that, why am I saying that? It's because I believe it at the core that you should do what makes you happy, not chase the dollar. You know, a lot of us are like, well, you know, let me see what makes me the most money, and that's what I'm gonna do. No, because guess what? You spend a lot of hours working. That means you're gonna be a lot of hours miserable. Stick to what you like, and if you like it, you're gonna be really good at it, and people pay you really good money for that. So the money will come, trust me. Just stick to what you like doing. I'm blessed that I was able to get Castro Oasis off the ground with my brother, Louis. This right here is a 2014 GT 500. I'll show you real quick. This is definitely a monster. It's a 5.8 with a big 4-Whipple supercharger. We did CNC heads, we sleeved the block, Datsun sleeves, and everything you can think of. Custom rods, pistons, obviously huge wide throttle body. You name it, this thing's got it. It's bad to the bone. 800 on pump gas. So if I have a mantra, it would be that. If it's fast, I like it. I should say if it's fast, I love it. Love speed, love anything that goes fast, whether it's 2 wheels, 4 wheels, boats, you name it. Yes, I know how to drive, ride, and not much of a captain on boats, but I do have my boater's license. So that's a little fun fact. Another fun fact to me would be that I actually have a commercial driver license, a CDL. To get through college, I used to drive at night and do some trucking. So 18-wheeler, no problem. So pretty much anything you can throw at me, I can drive it. Even heavy machinery, I know how to operate. So little mini excavator or huge excavator, loader, front end loader, you name it, got it. So I guess pretty much anything that has wheels, I can operate. So that's a cool fact about me. At least I think it's cool. If you want to know more about me or anything particular that you might want me to go into detail, please comment down below of any of the vehicles I show you. If you want me to make a video of it, and be specific, please let me know what you would like to see, so that way I can make a video of what you want to see or know about myself. So there you go. That's who is John at Castro Oasis. Now you know John. So please comment, like, subscribe, okay? And smash the like button. Till next time. See you soon.